Welcome to this class on preparing a bootable USB stick for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. In this class, I will guide you through the process of creating a bootable USB stick to install RHEL 9. Let's get started. A bootable USB stick allows you to install RHEL 9 on a computer without relying on optical drives or network booting. It provides flexibility and convenience for installation. Before we begin, make sure you have the following requirements: a USB stick with sufficient storage capacity, the RHEL 9 ISO image file, a computer with a USB port. The first step is to download Rufus. Rufus is a tool used to create a bootable USB stick. Download and launch Rufus on your computer. Select the USB stick from the device list, choose the RHEL 9 ISO image file as the source, and select the appropriate partition scheme and file system. After configuring the necessary settings in Rufus, click on the Start button to begin the creation process. Rufus will format the USB stick. Then copy the RHEL 9 ISO files to the USB stick and make it bootable. Once Rufus completes the process, you will have a bootable USB stick for RHEL 9. Safely eject the USB stick from your computer, and it is now ready to use in installing RHEL 9 on compatible systems. Congratulations! You have successfully prepared a bootable USB stick for RHEL 9. Now you can proceed with the installation process on your desired system. Insert the bootable USB stick into the target computer and follow the on-screen prompts to install RHEL 9. I hope this class has provided you with a clear understanding of how to prepare a bootable USB stick for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.